So you have the universal tire lock from Tevlaphee, and in this video I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase and a quick guide on how to get this installed on your car so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives, and hopefully it'll answer any questions that you might have. But here's what you get. So you get the tire lock itself. It's not very big. It's maybe 5-10 pounds, so it is pretty light too, so you can easily carry it around. And then you're also going to get these 3 keys, and they're all the same. They're going to go work inside the lock, so if you do want to give that to somebody, you're going to have 3 copies of the same key. But I'm gonna go outside, we're gonna bring the camera out there, I'm gonna try to get this thing installed onto your car. Okay, so to get this on the wheel, it is very easy. So right now you can see it's locked here. All you gotta do is use your key, push it on there, turn it, and it'll pop out for you. So now at this point is unlocked for you. Now we'll go around our wheel and we'll get it secured on there. Okay, and to get on the wheel, it's very, very easy. You just wanna make sure it's inside the spokes of your wheel, one on the outside, one on the inside, push shut once we get it. And then all you gotta do is push that button in. There are holes on here, so sometimes you just gotta line it up a little bit. Once you find it, we'll get it on there. So it's on right now, secure, not going anywhere until you unlock it. So it really is that easy. I'll bring the camera so you can kind of see it. So as you can see here, it is secure on the wheel and good to go. When you do want to take it off, grab your key, put it in there, pop it open. Kind of hard with one hand, but we'll get it removed off the wheel. There we go. So really is that easy. Comes on and off in seconds. Does its job exactly as it should. So I'm a happy customer with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.